Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Coding with Ankit. Today we will talk about factorial using recursion. In earlier video we have discussed about recursion and different scenario of recursion. Here we will use recursion to solve some problem. Let's get started. What is factorial? Factorial, the product of all positive integers up to a given number that we are calling as a factorial of a number. Time complexity of this logic is big O of n and space complexity is constant. Let's write the logic for this and then later we'll discuss about how it is working. For factorial, I will create a separate method, public static. I will return int value fact int n. I will take one argument. As we are using recursion, we will call same method again and again. What we need to do, we need to find factorial of a number. What is factorial? Let's say if you are passing n equal to 2, n equal to 5, then factorial will be n into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So we have to multiply. So this we can also write in form of 5 into factorial of 4. Factorial 5 equal to factorial 5 equal to this, which is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That we can write in form of factorial 5 into factorial 5 equal to 5 into factorial 4. Same way we will write the logic. We will return, as we have to return the value factorial of this number, so we will return n into fact of n minus 1. You can see if you are calculating factorial 5, then that number into factorial of n minus 1 we have to call. So this will give us the factorial of n. Now what we have to do, we have to add a base case. We are stopping at 1. So when we will calculate factorial of 1, the value will be 1. So we will handle that in base case. If n equal to 1, then we will return 1. That's our base case. So once we will reach at n equal to 1, then we will stop here and we will return the value 1. Let's call this method fact of 5 and we will print this out. So we can see what output we are getting. So for factorial 5, I'm getting 120. For factorial 4, we can try 24. 3, we can try 6. That is correct. 3 into 2, 6. And how it is working? You can see when we are calling this method factorial, that time we are passing n equal to 5, and this method will be called and will return n into factorial of n equal to 4. This is calling factorial of n of 4. Same way again it will call n into n minus. We can, instead of n we can set 5. Here we can set 5. Here it will again into multiply with 4, and then it will call fact n equal to 3. Like that. Same way 5 into 4 into 3, then it will call factorial method n equal to 2. Like that we will continue till we will reach to base case. 3 into 2 into factor of n equal to 1. Now you can see we have a base case where we are checking if n equal to 1. That means when we will call fact of 1, it will return 1. 3 into 2 into 1. So this factorial of n with value 1 will be replaced with 1. So we will get this product and the product will be 120, and that value will be returned to main function here. That's how this recursion is working. We are solving bigger problem with the help of same problem in smaller version basically, and we will call same method again and again. Time complexity of this algorithm is big O of n, because if the value of n is, let's say, 5, then 5 times we are calling this method. So that's that way the time complexity of this algorithm is big O of n. Space complexity is constant. We are not storing any value. So that's about factorial using recursion. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please give a hit and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.